or a native Bicolano instrument fades and then mixes with the modern hip-hop beat. Yeah.
From the land of Waglayayan with the pali na is strong. Para sa boss na tugang, listen to my song. This is for the poets, the voice of the young. Makatang Bicolano, this is where I'm from. From the foot of my imperfect cone, beauty ng pambihira. I write my rhymes with passion, burning like the lava's fire. Every word I spit may still in maharan. It's a flavor you can feel. From the streets of Pulangi to the world, I keep it real. Say how a dialect is gentle, malumanay, but my flow is rough. Spitting truths about our struggles when the going gets tough. We're more than just pinanggat, more than a beautiful view. We're a culture of survivors or are gone through and through. I'm a Makatang Bicolano with a fire in my soul. Nasa puso ko ang Bicol, making broken spirits whole. My words are my weapon, my truth is my guide. Representing Albay Camarines with nothing to hide. I'm Makatang Bicolano.